Asuntosyköyhtiö Kalevala.
It's also amazing today on the 27th of July 2023, and we have Kotkankatu Kotkankatu 6, but this it should not have the A, but it's the only stick is in this original building. It's here in Alpi down Helsinki, Finland, and it's close to Kallioberg. I love this style here. It was finished in 1985, so it's probably from the beginning of 1985. So 35 is sold in 2020 and will be inspected the next year, 2024, and the C number is VS 69. What's that? 6904. But I think the base floor is locked.
Yeah.
I love the blue doors here.
The same here.
And I love the smell in here.
Same here. Inspected by Lift Control Finland and maintained by Backup Seudonhissikeskus.
Yes. It wouldn't really have needed the memory, but
Yeah.
well, it has it here. I'll check the alarm bell. Oh, sorry.
Yeah.
Oh no, it's
No. Yeah.
should have been the original the tape opener.
That's